Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarvana from aforanalytics, and in this video, we're gonna see about how to dynamically filter the entire report by today's date. Stay tuned. So we have a very simple dashboard and a data set we are using. So you can see the data model. We have around 6 tables in the model: a loan, date, property, and so on. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a separate column uh, to figure out whether the date in the data model is same as today's date. So we're going to write a very simple DAX to compare the today's date and the date in the model. So I'm gonna create a column in this table, right? So I'm gonna name it as is today. So I'm gonna create few variables here. So I'm gonna use two variables. The first variable will be a date from the model, and second one is today's date. So I'm gonna name it as current current model date, maybe. It is good to format it before doing something, so I always do it. So you're gonna have date, and so my format is ddmmyyyy. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna create another variable which consists of today's date. So format now ddmmyyyy. Yeah. So I'm gonna return a simple statement if condition, so which gonna say whether today's date is equals to the date in the model. So today's date equals to date in the model. If it is equal, I'm gonna say yes. If not, I'm gonna say no. So let's keep it brief. No, yes, it is today's date. No, it is not today's date. All right. So we have written the calculation. So I'm gonna close it. So we already have this thing here. So I'm gonna name another one, two maybe, just for the sake of this video. Okay. So I just want to visualize how it looks like. So I'm gonna create simple table 2. So up front, so when I create this table, I'm seeing a value no, it is not today's date. Yes, of course it is not today's date, because so today's date is at 20 August. So in the model so we are comparing with this field as of date. So we have only till March 1st, so we don't have data for August of 2020. So what we're gonna do is just to test it, so I'm gonna change the system date, right? So set the date and time. So we're gonna shift it to March. Let's keep it February 25th, right? So the date of a system is changed. So you can see now the date is 25th of February 2020. So I'll change the date, so I'm gonna refresh the model again. Sorry. So when we do the refresh, you, we can automatically see, so that is data in the data model which is equals to the today's date. So that is where you can able to see the yes, it is today's date. So now we got the two values in today's. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a simple uh, yeah, we can use the existing one, so we don't need to waste the time. Um, so what we're gonna do is filter. So I'm gonna place this one here. So I have three things here. So here you can see the 1 and 80. So 80 values are in no, and I have only one value in yes. So I'm gonna click yes. So once you click it, you can automatically see the current only 1 day data, which is for 24th of February, which is also the today's date. So we can able to see that. So if you have a data in your data model for today's date, so you don't need to change your time, so that will automatically picks the date from your system and compare it with the calculation and provide the right data to your dashboard. And so this is a very simple technique, so you can do it to uh, dynamically filter the report for today's date. Yeah, so if you feels there is any video which is better than this, and please drop it in the comment box,